and gentlemen, so your Queen Alice is here with another very amazing and profitable project. So guys, as I always say, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further upcoming notification and amazing videos on my YouTube channel. So guys, today I am again back with the BBest token. So guys, now its pre-sale is on the Coin-in. I will tell you each and everything about this amazing token. You have to watch full video till end, don't skip any part of the video. So firstly, I would like to thank BBest for providing me this golden opportunity to review his amazing token, BBest token. So guys, here you can check out its website, its community and its pre-sale information. So here we go with the BBest token. Welcome to the BBest token, a versatile polygon based ERC20 token designed for BPO staking, savings, gaming, sports and the community engagement. So guys, when you're buying this amazing token or when you're entering in pre-sale process, you have to copy this contract address and you have to be very careful about this. So here you can check out its website and its contract address CA, and it's on the Polygon network. Here you can check out more. So guys, its fair launch is on the Coin-in. I will show you in later part of my video. So here is the white paper. Here you can check out the introduction, technology, use cases and the token economics. Here you can check out the token total supply is 2 billion BBest smart contract and it's built in a deflationary mechanism. So here you have to join the communities, you have to join our vibrant community on Telegram, get instant updates, chat with team members and you can connect with the holders. So guys, if you want to get updated about their pre-sale process, you have to join their Telegram and their Twitter community. I will show you in later part of my video. Here you can check out the tokenomics, token utility, economics, incentives and the governance. So guys, here is the BBest token Twitter account. Here you can check out the latest update and the announcement, and here you can check out the latest announcement on the Twitter account, which is about the BBest token pre-sale event in BBest token pre-sale event on the Coin-in. Excited for what's next? So you have to join it on the Coin-in network. I will show you later part of my video. So here it is. So here you can check out the latest announcement and the updates. So it's starting from the 17th Jan to the 29th January. So guys, don't miss out the dates of pre-sale. It's starting from 17th January and it's ending on 29th January. BBest token pre-sale is on the platform of Coin-in, which is new. So let's try it and let's grab your bag now. So guys, you have to visit their pre-sale and you have to get set for their pre-sale. You can visit Coin-in exchange for more detail. I will provide you the link in my description also. So here you can check out their Twitter, and here we go with the Telegram community. You have to join it, and here you can also check out its CA or the token address. So here is the Coin-in trade. So guys, here is the Coin-in trade, newest meme coin. Here you can check out its home market trade, free listing, and it's the new trading app. Here you can check out how to start, and it lists new coins every minute. So here you can check out Coin-in, and now let's check out the pre-sale. First pre-sale on the Coin-in, so you have to join now before it's too late. So here you can check out the overview starting from the 17th January and it will end at the 29th January. Here you can check out the price, which is 0.007 USDT, and here you can check out the total amount, and here it is. So here how you can start. Here is the pre-sale. Here you have to enter what you want to buy. Here you have to enter the amount. So guys, here you can check out. Here I have entered 50 BBest token and 0.35 USDT I have to pay for it and I have to buy. So here you can check out also. So here you can also check mission, and here you have to enter on buy. And so guys, it's the right time to join the pre-sale. So I would request all my family members, my friends and crypto enthusiasts to join this pre-sale now. It seems to be beneficial for all of you. you. So don't waste your time. It's the best time to join it and you will regret tomorrow. So guys, how was the review? Please comment in the comment section, and if you have any inquiry regarding the pre-sale or buying this amazing token, you can ask in the comment section and you can also DM me. So guys, how was the review? Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon button. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.